This is a CBSLA.com weather update.
I'm Danielle Gersh with your Friday morning weather update. So we're going to be warm above average into this afternoon, cooler than yesterday, and we are going to watch a cooling trend into the weekend. So highs today, mostly 60s and 70s along the coast, mid to upper 70s for the basin, and mid to upper 80s, even some 90s for the valleys of the Inland Empire. The ridge of high pressure that kept us really warm yesterday, that's breaking down. It's possible we'll see clouds increasing over the mountains into this afternoon. Could possibly see a thunderstorm pop up. It's a very slight, very low chance, but it is there. Heading into tomorrow, we'll take off about 10-12 degrees into your Saturday. More sunshine, still below average into your Easter Sunday, and then a warm up on the way, and the sunshine returns to start the work week. 80s and 90s again by Tuesday and Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you'll join us for CBS 2 News at 11 a.m.